My main question is the national ID card that has been being pushed through piecemeal ever since William Jefferson Clinton and the Clintonistas got in. And the main question that I have to you is about the national ID card and the thumb scanners that are being put in the state police departments to get driver's license across the state. Your state, Texas, since '94 has been thumb scanning all to get a driver's license, and now in the 1997 record, Clinton has now entered it in that he wants urine and blood testing for 25% randomly selected. Now, I know that's two questions. Can you first say what your stance is on the national ID card with privacy issues, and then can you answer the urine and blood test that's now in the Federal Register?
Well, you've asked me about a series of things. One of them is thumbprinting by state police departments, and my suggestion is that you take it up with George Bush. To the extent that there are decisions made by the Texas Department of Public Safety that are done here in the state of Texas.
Sir, it's a federal program.
They are state administered here.
It was mandated by President Clinton.
Well, I suggest that you take up with the state of Texas the way it's operating, and if it doesn't want to do these programs, for it to contact me and other people in the delegation and express that concern.
And then it won't get its highway money.
I welcome your forwarding your concern.
That's extortion, sir. That's extortion.
If you came out to do a radio program, you want to ask questions, but if you want to have a show, you're the...
People have been talking for 10 minutes. I'm going to ask these questions.
You have any other questions?
Yes.
You had the first 10 minutes of Congressman Doggett.
Do you have any other questions that you'd like to ask?
Yes, I have a question to ask you. My question is about the militarization of the police and secret military programs. It was on September 23rd, Blair NewsHour. It's been in all the major papers. What's going on with the Delta Force and local police departments here in Central Texas?
What specifically about?
Al A. Philippus on May 5th kicked out the Delta Force from Bexar County in San Antonio for attempting to bribe him.
I'm not familiar with it.
I have it on video.
Well, I'd be glad to get it, and then I'll be glad to comment on it.
I have another question for you, sir.
Okay.
And I'm asking these questions quickly. Others have talked 10 minutes.
Sure, you are.
Patty, and I don't appreciate it.
Well, I don't appreciate your attitude, sir. You had the first time. You're welcome to come out and ask your questions, but all these other people have rights, too.
I don't appreciate you abusing American citizens. You're abusing American... Don't you hit me. He only tried to hit me. Don't you abuse American citizens. You're a CFR trash. You're selling this country out. We're going to stand against you. You remember that, buddy. We stand against you for the Constitution of the United States of America.
Goodbye.
Yeah, you got it. No, we're out here. Let's go. Where's the diamond? He tried to... You are a worm. According to their wishes, Mike was mainly just getting Doggett. And that lady was continually talking and bumping into me while I was doing it. Then I tried to ask another question, and she was pushing me. And then Doggett takes his hand and shoves it underneath my chin. You can't really catch it on the tape, but as Mike pulls the camera back, you see his hand coming away, and he, like the textbook liar he is, he acts like he was trying to shake a hand. Here it is right here. Here it is. He was pushing me right there, then he acts like he was shaking that guy's hand. Unbelievable. Here's the rest of the annex. Then we'll go back over just a few more of his disgusting comments.
Well, I don't appreciate your attitude, sir. You had the first time. You're welcome to come out and ask your questions, but all these other people have rights, too.
I don't appreciate you abusing American citizens. You're abusing American... Don't you hit me. He only tried to hit me. Don't you abuse American citizens. You're a CFR trash. You're selling this country out. We're going to stand against you. You remember that, buddy. We stand against you for the Constitution of the United States of America.
Goodbye.
Yeah, you got it. No, we're out here. Let's go. Where's the diamond? He tried to... You are a worm. That's fine. You never answered about Clinton and the missile technology, sir. You never answered about Clinton and the missile technology.
Please don't interrupt this gentleman. He's entitled to...
Answer about the missiles. Answer the question. Come on, let's go. Yeah, I'm not the threat. President Clinton is. I'm leaving, lady. I'm going to the radio for 4 hours tonight, every night. I'm out of here. You're in a controlled society. The information you're receiving is controlled. Conflagration's coming, smiley face slave. You're like the people that supported the Nazis, and you will pay. Let's go. You have a nice day, too, bootlicker.